Chainsaw Man, Jujutsu Kaisen, Demon Slayer, ranked on NYT March bestseller list. 3 volumes of Tatsuki Fujimoto's Chainsaw Man manga, 1 volume of Gege Akutami's Jujutsu Kaisen manga, 1 volume of Koyoharu Kotoki's Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba manga, and Koyoharu Kotoki and Reiji Hirano's Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba Stories of Water and Flame manga ranked on the New York Times monthly graphic books and manga bestseller list released in early March. The 9th volume of Chainsaw Man ranked number 4, the 40th volume of Jujutsu Kaisen ranked number 5, the 1st volume of Chainsaw Man ranked number 8, the 1st volume of Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba ranked number 9, Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba Stories of Water and Flame ranked number 10, and the 2nd volume of Chainsaw Man ranked at number 11 on the list.